Hey beautiful, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in. So in today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit from Asteria hair. Now I have here a gorgeous chocolate brown color and this is an invisible lace front wig. It's also an 18-inch and I wanted to share you guys the goodies that I got in this box as well. Hopefully you guys receive the same stuff that y'all see on video. So to save a lot of time, I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera and I did pluck it just a little bit as well, so you guys can see this nice little wave going on. But you guys, this color is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, first of all, I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. Chocolate brown goes very well on my skin tone and I'm just here for it. So I'm just cutting off the lace. I mean, this is nothing new. And obviously I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit on camera so you guys can see it in action. So grabbing this Lace Academy spray to just lay the mess out of this lace down and melt it. Now I have been obsessed with this lace melting spray. Again, I will link it in the description box. Grabbing my blow dry and set it in cool. You don't want it in hot, honey. You want it in cool so that you can really lay that lace down. If you do hot, it's not going to lay it down at all. It's just going to pretty much melt it off pretty much. So this is the most easiest way for me to lay this unit down. And again, I normally cut the lace off and then I install my units, but lately I have been loving to just install it like this and then cut off the lace as I go. I feel like this is a quicker step than me cutting off the lace and installing like that. But you know what I'm saying, every routine is different. I might even change it again, but so far I've been loving this routine. So off camera, I did go ahead and grab my foundation and I applied this on the lace as well because the lace was a little bit lighter than what you guys see on camera. So grabbing a foundation and then I also set it with a powder so then it doesn't move, so then that's why it looks so much more, I feel like it looks like scalp. Okay, it looks so good. So here's the fun part. I was able to just cut off this lace pretty easy, and when I did this the lace did not lift at all, so I was like, yes. I did just go ahead and grab that melting spray just a little bit with my finger and I just dabbed it on that lace, on the part where the lace is a little bit lifting, just for it to melt even more. But girl, I love how I installed this unit. It looks so stunning. Like I'm obsessed with the color. It just looks so good. Everything is melting perfectly and I also plucked it so nicely as well. So creating a little bit of baby hair. Normally I don't care for baby hair nowadays, and when I do, I usually grab my mousse and then I create a little bit and then I let it dry. Then I grab the comb of the brush that I created the baby hair with and I just separate it so then it looks a little bit fluffy. If that made any sense. I feel like that is the most easiest, most realistic way to create baby hair nowadays. So going back again into the lace, I felt like it needed a little bit of help. So I grabbed my foundation powder and I just applied that on the lace just for it to melt even more. And now we are jumping to styling the unit. Now I am not sure whether I mentioned this, but this is 180 density. So 180 density is usually the perfect route to go if you want it full. But you don't want it too full because I think you can go up to 250 density if I'm not mistaken. So 180 is actually perfect for this unit, but if I will be honest with y'all, I felt like this was 150 density, which I don't have a problem with that because it's summer and I really don't want a full unit unless it's curly. Like, wow, I am obsessed, in love. Such a beautiful, beautiful color. So I don't really care for those perfect curls. So what I'm gonna do is just run my fingers through the curls just to open them up. I don't know about y'all, but perfect curls are not the way to go. So just to bring a little bit of volume, I just run my fingers through the curls, and it just separates them, and it just looks so much more stunning. And voila, look at how beautiful that looks. You guys, I am so obsessed, so stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some makeup on. Voila, I look so gorgeous. Wow, I am in love. As always, all the details to this beautiful unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. I love you guys so much, and I'll sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.